When you think of the United Arab Emirates, two cities stand out: Abu Dhabi and Dubai. These neighboring emirates offer contrasting experiences, one rooted in tradition, the other bursting with futuristic ambition. Choosing between them depends on what you want from your trip: the energy and spectacle of Dubai, or the culture and calm of Abu Dhabi. Dubai dazzles with its skyline and record-breaking attractions. Abu Dhabi impresses with its heritage and serene beauty. This guide will help you discover the unique character of each city so you can plan your perfect Arabian adventure. We'll compare their attractions, atmosphere, and costs to help you decide. Let's dive in and uncover what makes Abu Dhabi and Dubai truly special. Abu Dhabi, the UAE's capital, is a city where tradition and modernity blend seamlessly, creating a unique atmosphere that feels both vibrant and serene. As you gaze across the city's skyline, you'll notice a harmonious mix of gleaming skyscrapers and architectural nods to the region's storied past. This is a place deeply connected to its roots, where Emirati heritage is celebrated in daily life. Wander through bustling souks filled with the scent of spices and the sound of friendly bargaining, or admire the intricate details of historic forts and palaces that have stood for generations. The pace is slower here. Walk along the Corniche and you'll feel the city's tranquil rhythm. Locals and visitors alike enjoy the gentle sea breeze, the sound of waves lapping against the shore, and the palm-lined promenades that invite you to pause and take in the view. The Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is Abu Dhabi's crown jewel, a masterpiece of Islamic architecture and a symbol of peace. Its gleaming white domes and towering minarets are visible from afar, drawing visitors from around the world to marvel at its beauty and spiritual significance. Stepping inside, you're greeted by a sense of awe: soaring columns, intricate mosaics, and the world's largest hand-knotted carpet beneath your feet. Visiting the mosque is a profound experience, setting the tone for the city's focus on beauty and tradition, and offering a moment of reflection and peace. Saadiyat Island's Louvre Abu Dhabi bridges east and west, showcasing art and architecture on a global scale. Its futuristic dome filters sunlight in a mesmerizing pattern, while inside, masterpieces from across civilizations tell the story of human creativity and connection. Abu Dhabi's ambitions go beyond skyscrapers. It's building a legacy of culture and intellectual curiosity. The city invests in museums, libraries, and cultural centers, nurturing a vibrant art scene and encouraging lifelong learning among its residents and visitors. For those who crave a connection with nature, Abu Dhabi offers unexpected tranquility. Nature lovers can kayak through mangrove forests, discovering a peaceful side of the city where herons glide above the water, and the only sounds are the gentle splash of paddles and the rustle of leaves. Abu Dhabi captivates with its grace and depth, making it ideal for those seeking a relaxing, culturally immersive holiday. Whether you're sipping aromatic coffee in a shaded cafe or sharing a meal with locals, you'll experience the warmth and generosity that define Emirati hospitality. Here, you'll find a city comfortable in its own skin, confident, welcoming, and proud of its heritage. Daily life unfolds at a gentle pace, inviting you to slow down and savor each moment. Abu Dhabi is a destination that rewards those who slow down and soak in its atmosphere, offering a rich tapestry of culture, calm, and discovery at every turn. Dubai is the UAE's high-octane heart, thriving on ambition and innovation. The city is famous for its superlatives: the world's tallest building, largest mall, and most luxurious hotels. The Burj Khalifa dominates the skyline, symbolizing Dubai's relentless drive. Adventure is everywhere. Ski indoors at Ski Dubai, skydive over the Palm Jumeirah, or zipline through the marina. Dubai is a playground for thrill seekers and those who crave excitement. Shopping is an event, from the vast Dubai Mall to the bustling Golden Spice souks. The city blends ultra-modern attractions with traditional markets, creating dazzling contrasts. The Dubai Fountain Show epitomizes the city's flair for spectacle. Dubai is for those who want to be at the center of the action, surrounded by energy and luxury. Here, the extraordinary is the everyday. Despite their close proximity on the map, Abu Dhabi and Dubai offer distinctly different atmospheres, each with its own unique charm and character. While both cities are modern marvels rising from the desert, the feeling you get when you step into each is surprisingly different. Dubai pulses with energy, its streets alive with a cosmopolitan crowd and constant activity. The city never seems to sleep, with its vibrant nightlife, world-class shopping, and a steady stream of events and entertainment options that draw people from all over the globe. The city's fast pace excites some, offering endless opportunities for adventure and networking, but for others, the hustle and bustle can feel overwhelming, especially during peak hours when the crowds and traffic reach their peak. Abu Dhabi, by contrast, offers a laid-back, residential vibe with a gentler rhythm. Life here moves at a slower pace, allowing residents and visitors to truly unwind and soak in the surroundings. Green spaces, wide boulevards, and a sense of calm define the city. Parks and waterfront promenades invite families and friends to gather, relax, and enjoy the outdoors, making it feel more like a community than a metropolis. Interactions in Dubai are efficient and businesslike, reflecting its status as a global business hub. In Abu Dhabi, however, conversations tend to be warmer and more personal, with a focus on building lasting relationships and a strong sense of community. Dubai's luxury focus can make it pricier, with temptations to splurge everywhere. From designer boutiques to lavish hotels, the city caters to those seeking the finer things in life, and it's easy to get swept up in the glamour. Abu Dhabi generally offers better value, especially for hotels and dining. You'll find a range of options that cater to different budgets, making it easier to enjoy a comfortable stay without breaking the bank. The relaxed, authentic atmosphere makes Abu Dhabi especially appealing for families, couples, and anyone seeking a slower, more genuine pace of life. It's a place where you can truly unwind and connect with those around you. Both cities are welcoming to visitors, offering their own brand of hospitality. Whether you're drawn to Dubai's excitement or Abu Dhabi's tranquility, the vibe you prefer will shape your experience and memories. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your personal travel style. Do you crave the fast-paced thrill of a global city, or the peaceful embrace of a more relaxed destination? Choose the city that matches your spirit, and you're sure to have an unforgettable journey. Both cities are packed with attractions, but cater to different interests. Dubai is all about man-made wonders, the Burj Khalifa, Dubai Mall, and world-class theme parks. Don't miss a desert safari for a taste of adventure. Abu Dhabi's highlights are cultural and natural, the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, Louvre Abu Dhabi, and kayaking in the mangroves. Ferrari World and Yas Water World add excitement for families. The Corniche Beach offers a peaceful seaside escape. Abu Dhabi's connection to nature feels more integral, balancing urban life with the outdoors. Your choice depends on your ideal itinerary, spectacle and thrills in Dubai, or culture and relaxation in Abu Dhabi. Both promise unforgettable experiences. The food scenes in both cities are as diverse as their populations. Dubai is a paradise for foodies, with celebrity chef restaurants, lavish brunches, and global cuisine. Hidden gems in Deira and Bur Dubai offer authentic, affordable eats from across the Middle East and Asia. Abu Dhabi's dining is more understated, with a focus on authentic Middle Eastern and Emirati flavors. Family-friendly restaurants and waterfront dining along the Corniche create a relaxed atmosphere. Try local dishes like makbuz and lukaimat for a true taste of the region. Both cities offer incredible culinary journeys, Dubai for variety and spectacle, Abu Dhabi for authenticity and comfort. Whether you crave fine dining or street food, you'll eat well in the UAE. Let your taste buds guide your adventure. Navigating both Dubai and Abu Dhabi is straightforward, but Dubai stands out for its modern, efficient metro system. The metro is not only clean and air-conditioned, but also connects many of the city's top attractions, making it especially convenient for tourists who want to explore without the hassle of traffic or parking. Stations are well marked in English and Arabic, and the trains run frequently, so you're rarely left waiting. In both cities, taxis are easy to find and relatively affordable with metered fares and reliable service. However, Abu Dhabi's public transport relies more on buses, which can be less intuitive for visitors. As a result, taxis are often the go-to choice for getting around Abu Dhabi, especially if you're not familiar with the bus routes or schedules. Renting a car is a practical option in both cities, particularly if you want to venture out to the desert, visit theme parks, or explore the surrounding emirates. Roads are well maintained, signage is clear, and parking is generally available, though traffic can be heavy during rush hours. When it comes to accommodation, Dubai offers an impressive range, from iconic ultra-luxury hotels like the Burj Al Arab to more affordable options scattered throughout the city. However, hotel prices in Dubai can rise sharply during peak tourist seasons, so booking in advance is recommended if you're looking for the best deals. Abu Dhabi, on the other hand, is known for its excellent hotels that often provide better value for money, especially in the 5-star category. You'll find spacious rooms, attentive service, and luxurious amenities at a more accessible price point compared to Dubai. Both cities are home to a wide variety of beach resorts and family-friendly hotels, many with pools, kids clubs, and direct access to sandy shores. Whether you're traveling with children or seeking a relaxing getaway, you'll have plenty of options to choose from. When it comes to daily expenses, Abu Dhabi generally offers lower prices for food, shopping, and entertainment. From affordable street food to budget-friendly shopping malls, your money tends to stretch further here, making it a great choice for longer stays or travelers watching their spending. It's wise to plan your budget ahead of time. While Dubai dazzles with luxury, Abu Dhabi can help you make the most of your travel funds. Consider what matters most to you: splurging on iconic experiences or enjoying a comfortable stay at a lower cost. Ultimately, both cities deliver comfort, convenience, and memorable experiences, but your wallet will definitely notice the difference depending on where you choose to stay and how you get around. A few tips will help you make the most of your UAE adventure. Respect local customs, dress modestly at religious sites, and be discreet with public displays of affection. The best time to visit is October to April, when the weather is pleasant. Summers are extremely hot. If you visit then, expect to stay indoors and enjoy lower hotel rates. Stay hydrated, use sunscreen, and protect yourself from the sun. Alcohol is only available in licensed venues. Public intoxication is illegal. English is widely spoken, but learning a few Arabic words is appreciated. Embrace the multicultural atmosphere. You'll meet people from all over the world. The UAE is safe, clean, and well-organized, making it easy for first-time visitors. Be open, respectful, and ready for an unforgettable journey. The choice between Abu Dhabi and Dubai comes down to your travel style. Dubai